Welcome back. In today's Trusted Advisor segment, sponsored by Plastic Surgery Associates, are you an expressive person and your fine lines and wrinkles remind you of it all the time? Is gravity taken over and you just need, a little lift without surgery? For years, Pam Gendritz at Grand Pearl Spa, a division of Plastic Surgery Associates, has been helping people rejuvenate and put their best face forward.
Hi, I'm Pam Gendritz, and I'm a master injectionist and laser specialist here at the Grand Pearl. So in 1992, I started the clinic from scratch. No lasers, no injections were available back then. So a lot of things have changed since I started the clinic. Now we have just so many treatments: microneedling, hydrofacials, the Cyton laser where we can do halo, profractional laser, just a multitude of different treatments to treat different things such as sun damage, hair removal, fine lines, wrinkles. And then, of course, the injectables help with wrinkles as far as expression lines, and then the filler, getting us volume back in our face. So all these things have evolved, which is just fantastic. It's just a whole new field. So my days vary. So sometimes I'll have an injectable patient, sometimes I'll have a laser patient, and the laser patients can vary from having rosacea problems to sun damage to fine lines to wrinkles. My filler patients can vary. Some people just want fuller lips, some people want full face rejuvenation. My Botox patients, again, that varies too. Some people want their smiley lines treated, some people want their scowl lines treated. So it's a variety. We are seeing more and more males, and I think just the younger generation see that, this helps with their appearance, especially for, the corporate world and, when they have to interview for jobs and whatnot, and they feel better about themselves as well. And they're more aware of what, that they can improve their appearances. So when I see a patient for the first time, I do a whole assessment. We'll talk about what Botox can do, what filler can do, what lasers can do, and then we'll kind of point out different things. Like I'll explain what happens as we mature or age. We lose some of that volume, become a little more depleted in the face. So this is how fillers can help. Over time, expression lines start to stay because you've been concentrating or smiling, and again, it's from living life, but again, Botox can help with soften some of those areas. During the summer, injectables they're great. My lasers are a little bit less busy only because people are in the sun and they have to be careful. So we don't want to have someone who has a lot of sun exposure be treated with a laser because you could have some potential risks. Some of the most common questions I get are, I'm feeling old down here, heavy down here. And a lot of people don't understand that it's the fat pads up here that are coming down just from gravity, and we lose some of that volume in our face. So of course, ultimately, surgery is going to give you the best correction. But if someone's not ready for surgery or doesn't want to do surgery, then we have the filler available. But it adds that volume back. Again, we want to kind of get that youthful triangle back. It's wonderful when I see the results. They're so happy, and they're just, a lot of times my patients will come to tears, which makes me feel really good. We have a full line of products as well that can help, so you can do things at home too. And then all our estheticians that are here are wonderful with the treatments that we provide, our hydrofacials, our microneedling, our radio frequency microneedling. We do a lot of different procedures. So the best is to come in, have a consult.
And Plastic Surgery Associates is located in the Amway Grand Plaza Hotel in downtown Grand Rapids. To learn more about the services they provide, call 616-451-4500 or visit psa-gr.com.